Hi there, and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at this HYYW70 yard sweeper. So we've got fuel in the machine, we've got oil in the machine. Let's go through the starting procedure. First thing I'm going to do is push the throttle down to the bottom. With a cold engine, I'm going to push the fuel primer 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And with that done, I can pull the recoil start. Speed the engine up. And slow the engine and stop it. I can pull back on this lever, and that will stop the engine. Again, that would be full speed of the engine and right back to stop. So I'll just start it again. That's full speed. Kick over and right back to stop. To engage the brushes, we need to pull back on this lever like a clutch, and the brushes will rotate. You simply lift the little grey part, pull back on the lever to engage the brushes. To stop the brushes, release the lever. So that's lift and push down. To stop, release. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.